formally sent off in 2019, Algorand is a problematic venture that looks to address how digital currencies have been customarily planned. It looks to extend the utilization cases by speeding up exchange speed, lessening the exchange time and overhaul security in a decentralized way. These highlights effectively pulled in a seriously enormous number of venture financial backers to early confidential deals of Algo directed to subsidize the undertaking's development. Pioneer behind Algorand, Silvio Micheli. Silvio Micheli, an alum of math at the La Sapienza College of Rome and a Ph.D. degree holder in software engineering from the College of California, Berkeley, established Algorand. He fills in as a PC researcher at MIT Software Engineering and Man-Made Consciousness Lab, zeroing in his examination on cryptography and data security. Silvio Micheli has many honors and notices his credit, most strikingly the Turing Grant, the most elevated grant given to PC researchers, due to significant developments worked around his examination in cryptography, zero information, secure conventions, and system plan. He is one of the people who established the groundworks of present-day cryptography. Assuming you had the choice to eliminate one from decentralization, versatility and security, which could you eliminate? As indicated by Vitalik Buterin, the organizer behind Ethereum, a blockchain can have a limit of two of these three properties. This records for the sluggish idea of exchanges on the blockchain. This idea is known as the blockchain trilemma. The blockchain trilemma recommends that it is exceptionally difficult for a task to have each of the three elements to a good level. 2 is conceivable, however 3? Not really conceivable. A decentralized and exceptionally got organization wouldn't be versatile. A decentralized and versatile blockchain will have little security, and a blockchain that is versatile and profoundly got wouldn't be sufficiently decentralized. Versatility is a significant issue on most cryptographic money blockchains. Most digital money projects find it very interesting to deal with large quantities of exchanges while guaranteeing network decentralization and security. This is the most widely recognized instance of the blockchain trilemma at work. Algorand is doing things any other way by choosing an unadulterated evidence of stake, unadulterated POS, agreement component. The component utilizes an alternate methodology contrasted with different changes of the POS instrument, designated proof of stake or fluid proof of stake. This really intends that as opposed to requiring 100% agreement from every one of the approving gatherings, Algorand runs with a 66% larger part agreement. To go after the Algorand framework, you should claim more than 33% of the all-out supply of Algorand. Aside from the way that it is uneconomical holding an enormous stake of the stock, it likewise implies that you have a ton to lose assuming the task turns out badly. Algorand utilizes a lottery to fragment blocks development into 2 stages. These lotteries are known as cryptographic sortition. The cryptographic sortition empowers the quick conclusion of an exchange, and you will not need to sit tight for 20+ affirmation before you realize an exchange occurred. The 2 stages are 1. Proposal stage. Here, a solitary token is haphazardly chosen, and its proprietor proposes the following blocks. Be that as it may, this proposer is covered up and is simply known to the entire organization during the proliferation stage when it is past the point of no return for anybody to meddle. In unadulterated POS, each token is similarly ready to be chosen. 2. Voting round. In this cycle, a panel of proprietors of 1,000 irregular tokens is chosen, supporting the block proposed by the principal client. In spite of the decent Board of Trustees framework in many evidence of work or confirmation of stake blockchains, this arbitrary choice of the advisory group individuals makes the convention very secure. The immediacy guarantees they don't have the foggiest idea who to target. 3. Algorand is by all accounts decisively situated to prevail in the crypto world. Albeit this is as yet another task, it is as yet worth looking as it develops and creates in the business. 4. Algorand cost expectation 2025-5. Based on the information and contentions spread out over, a cost of Algo token in 2025 could be in the $10-$20 territory. A drawn-out sensible gauge, $17.67. 6. Algorand cost forecast 2037. There are several laws of human advancement that keep us from feeling that Algorand will be what its holders expect and trust it to be. Those are first mover benefit and combination and ensuing imposing business model. 8. A first mover benefit can be basically characterized as a company's capacity to be in an ideal situation than its rivals because of being first to showcase in another item class. 9. Monopoly is what is going on in which a solitary organization or gathering possesses all or practically all of the market for a given sort of item or administration. 10. Both of the peculiarities we notice above support the theorem and we don't feel that will change in the mid and long haul future. 11. We are as yet not certain in the event that Algorand and comparable venture truly do have a drawn-out future and Algo token could be worth 0 out of 2030 as the undertaking probably won't exist by then. At that point, odds are thin in our eyes for that to occur as Algorand carries special innovation arrangements alongside a clamoring local area which assures its place among the crypto survivors in the years to come. 12. Is Algorand worth putting resources into? 13. Algorand is a fantastic speculation for the present moment when the market is in the bull run. Normally these kinds of more up-to-date projects do phenomenal well when the in general crypto market is in the green and they beat other better-known projects by a great deal. Be that as it may, make a point to leave them in time as they will quite often get a beating during going and bear market cycles. 14. Why will Algorand succeed? 15. Because it proposes an important help. It previously fabricated a name for itself in its specialty and experienced no security breaks or different kinds of compromises, financial, reputational and so on. The symbolic itself gives utility and checks out which isn't true with numerous other comparative tasks. 16. Why will Algorand fall flat? 17. Algorand could fall flat in light of the wild contest, dynamic mechanical field and rocket speed improvements in its specialty. One more typical explanation this kind of venture comes up short is group issues. Either the group parts or inside and out leaves the undertaking. 18. Will Algorand reach $10? 19. That is inside the genuine of probability, even in the momentary period. It could reach $10 soon. 20. Can Algorand reach $100? 21. Algorand will in all likelihood not reach $100 within a reasonable time frame, except if we see a face-softening bull run that will see Bitcoin at $100,000 and ETH at $20,000. 22. Most decentralized frameworks are helpless to arrange assaults. The focus is on the correspondence joins between clients. He could parcel